Hello folks, this video talks about the prerequisites for taking this course and also the course structure. As the name suggests, in this series I will discuss the use of Executors API in comparison to the Threads API. Here it is expected that the student already has working knowledge of Java and knows about the basics of multithreading, viz. Why is multithreading required and where is it useful? What is a thread of execution and how does it differ from the thread class? Various states a thread can be in, operations available on the thread class and how to use them, etc. etc. Let us now look at the course structure and the various sections into which it has been divided into. Each section has videos explaining the concepts for both the old Threads API as well as the modern Executors API. The first section is introduction, through which we are going right now. After that, the real course starts. We start with the most basic concepts first. Section 2 covers creating and running threads, and Section 3 talks about naming threads. After that, we gradually move on to more advanced concepts. Section 4 deals with returning values from threads. As you know, the Threads API does not provide a straightforward way of returning values from runnables. So this section will cover how to return values using both the APIs in detail. After that, we have section 5 that will cover the topic of daemon threads. Daemon threads are useful for constantly running background operations and for providing services to other threads. Section 6 covers checking threads for life. The concepts in this section will be useful in those scenarios when you have to check if a thread is still running or it is dead, whether naturally after completing its execution or killed forcefully. Section 7 covers the more advanced topic of terminating threads. Sometimes you need to stop or terminate threads midway without letting them complete their execution. This section covers various ways of doing that with both the APIs. Handling uncaught exceptions is covered in detail in section 8. It is not straightforward to handle leaked exceptions from threads, but it is one of the most important things that you can do to protect your application from faults in third-party code. Section 9 covers ways to wait for other threads to complete. When you have to wait for results from a few threads before moving forward with your logic, this concept comes into picture. And lastly, section 10 covers various ways to schedule tasks for running in future, whether you want to run a task just once at some specific time or run it periodically at regular intervals. This completes the course overview. Wish you success and see you in the next section. Bye.